Hey there, Christopher Thunder from the World's Dirtiest Workshop. Welcome to my man cave. This is going to be one of those video shorts that is too short, something from Homer and Peter Griffin when they were wearing their little shorts and going to the car wash. Okay, so you've got glasses, and let's say your earpieces keep sliding off, or they're sliding around, or they're even breaking. Okay, now you can always order new rubber earpieces. These are super expensive. What I do is I take the super uncomfortable earpieces and then I go aftermarket and get these soft rubber ones. But they don't always stay in place. They're not perfectly matched to these, glasses, these Bolle glasses per se. Sometimes you have to customize. Now, what do I do? What I do is I grab some heat shrink wire connecting rubber. Okay, so this is actually pretty easy stuff. What you do, I just bumped the camera, is you open up the heat shrink and find an appropriate thickness. So I'm doing this without my glasses. Okay, so one idea might be to take this thickness and slide it over the end. Okay, so I can't see this very well, but okay, you have to kind of bear with me. I can't see without my glasses. What you do is you slide this over the end and then you take some scissors and snip it, right? So you snip off a small piece. Then you have to be a little brave. So what you do is take a little open flame and just run it over the rubber end, constantly rotating the rubber piece. This is how heat shrink rubber works. You can see here, I'm doing this with a $200, set of frames here with a $600 set of lenses, right? Crazy, huh? So what is that, 800 bucks for a pair of glasses? And I'm taking them to an open flame. Okay, oh, he's gotta be nuts, right? No, I just know what I'm doing. Okay, so here we go. Just keep running it over the open flame until the rubber shrinks. And what you're gonna get is something that looks like this. Okay, you're gonna see how the rubber has shrunk around the thicker rubber and shrunk to match the frame arm. And once they've cooled back down, put them back on. And you can't shake off. And they're stuck there, and they're doing pretty good. My pupils are kind of in the middle of my lenses. I have to turn my chin up to look through the middle of the glasses. I have to have my nose up like that. I don't like people seeing my nostrils, so. All right, so that's my video short. That's too short for today. How to fix your earpieces on your glasses using some heat shrink tape or tubing, heat shrink tubing for your glasses. So, hey, easy stuff here. The specific product here that I have, Electrical Essentials by Doorman. Okay, Electrical Essentials by Doorman heat shrink tubing. Okay, get this at your electrical or electronics shop. Okay, so you can find these at home stores. Easy to get. And I want to wish everybody a happy 2023 from the World's Dirtiest Workshop and Christopher Thunder. Bye-bye.